Flora and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my friend Lala.
Hey.
And we're going to be baking a rainbow cake together, which is going to be... we can't bake, so like we can't do anything in the kitchen pretty much. So for this video, and I really hope it turns out cool. If you guys do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, as well as comment what you want to see next. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, it's so good! The first cake batter, and we also realized that the water was actually not meant to go in, but that's fine, we're moving on. So what we're gonna do now is divide it into 2 or 3 different colors. Or what are we gonna do, 2 or 3? 3? Okay, 3 different colors, so we have to measure. Wait, this is gonna, you have to like take that with the spatula. Take the spatula. Take the spatula. Wow, okay. Wow, quite impressive. Okay, so we're not gonna use the scale. We've decided we're just gonna do it with our eyes. Okay, so like put one spatula in each first. Oh, put 2 in each. So we've divided them off into more. Okay. Into more or less even amounts. I think this one actually needs a bit more. So now we're gonna put red, orange, and yellow in. So basically what you do is you take like this much food coloring and then you stir it in. Like that. Yeah, sure. There's been a bit of an incident. Love that very much. Thanks, Lala. Basically, we put in the first 3 cake color batter things, and we're doing 7 in total because of the rainbow. And now we're just gonna repeat the whole process again with different colors. So yeah, let's do it. We are cooling the first 3 cakes in our very handy fridge thing. We're really tired. The second batch of cakes is in the oven, and we're just chilling on the floor. We just ate ice cream.
We had ice. Why did you tell me that? So yeah, we're gonna make the third batter now.
So these are the last 3 colors, and now we're going to put them into the molds, put them in the oven, and then start making some buttercream. Now starting to make our buttercream, and we have to make really soft butter according to the video tutorial. And we're just cutting it up a little bit and then gonna beat it. I've never done this before, so I'm really worried we're gonna ruin it. But we can try, right? The cake is so high that you could literally not cut a piece to eat that, which is just unrealistic. She's eating the scraps. So what we're gonna do is halve it, each layer, and make 2. Right, Lala? Mm-hmm. Fabulous. So I added this, I don't know what texture effect, and Lala made hers blue, and we're literally so exhausted. We've been making cakes for 5 hours, so I really hope these taste good. So I'm gonna pop mine in the fridge, I don't know how long until I eat it. That's my mom. Creds to her for cutting. I'm gonna put mine in the fridge because then when it cools, everything like sets together better and all that.
So yeah, the next video will be like a really dramatic video of me cutting the cake open. Yeah. It was such a workout. I don't know why. I think just so much concentration. Okay. Quick update before I put it in the fridge. I actually added like a bunch of little decorations on the side, which I know look like a kindergartner did them, but that's fine because it's about the taste, not the looks. Someone cheer me up. Yeah. Okay, now we can go. They are now cooling down before we test them. Are you laughing at me?
Not in a million years.
Right. Bye-bye.
That's it. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. We had so much fun baking. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bye. A rainbow cake together. Anna, are you serious? You're making coffee right now? Right now you're making coffee when I'm filming my intro. Right now. So my back really hurts, and so Lala's gonna crack it for me. Oh!